Hey, check out the Igloo Trailmate. You can keep things up to 4 days long in here for the ice retention. This is a 70 quart. Take a look at this. This is awesome. Love the beefy tires. The handle right here, this can extend out just like that. So you can able to carry that. Has a pop opener. They don't make pop anymore in bottles. Look at the inside of this. Wow, a lot of room here. There's your plug. Nice little shelf here. I guess this is for, yeah, these are fishing pole holders. How cool is that? Look at this tray right here. This comes out. You can have a little tray if you're out there fishing on the beach. Nice place here for your pop cans or soda. Here's another little attachment. You can keep things inside here, and also right there, nice looking cooler. I like those fishing pole holders. Those are an added touch. Hey, check this out. Make sure you hit that likey button down below, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.